Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop, 15.6 inches Full HD IPS display A515-43-R19L. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I could sit here and write all about the specs on this computer, but they are already in the description, and if you are like me, you don't really understand it anyways. So I am going to tell you what I love about this computer and what I use it for. I am a full-time college student as well as a single mother who stays busy. I have previously used a HP all-in-one computer that I bought brand new a year ago and I hate that thing. It is so slow. When I first opened this item, I was just hoping that it would be a little faster. What I got instead was an amazing computer that is faster than I could have ever imagined. Now I don't use this thing for much more than Amazon reviews, schoolwork, and papers. But this is exactly what I needed. It navigated quickly between web pages, my Microsoft Word programs opens instantly and doesn't take forever to load like my HP does. The picture of this monitor is just beautiful. Everything is so clear. I love that the keyboard has a backlight so I can see the keys if I need to take a look at them while I am typing, but the backlights go away after a few seconds, so if you are watching a movie, the lit-up keyboard will not bother you. This computer is so lightweight and easy to carry. I love the sleek design of it as well. This would be a great computer for anyone who just needs a basic computer for the internet or spreadsheets. I would feel at ease taking this computer with me to college or sending it off to college with my children, and I wouldn't worry if they had the ability to complete their assignments in school. I am so happy with this product. This laptop is great. For this price, there is nothing to complain. I use this for basic computer needs at home. What I will do with is just office, surfing, YouTube, Netflix. This computer handles it really well, all very smoothly. What I like most is the screen. It is IPS. At this price point, $310 for me, most laptops are bundled with TN display, which be honestly is a deal breaker. The screen here is gorgeous. I do not see much difference to my gaming laptop which cost me thrice. Sound is good, keyboard design average. I don't like the small numpad. Some people complained on the backlight, but I don't need this function. But the num lock indicator, however, is important but wasn't there. On the spec, there is just 4 GB of RAM. You can, however, upgrade it easily. There are 10 screws at a back. Open it and you can add another slot of RAM and another HDD. My recommendation, upgrade to 8 or 16 GB and add another SSD drive immediately after the setup is done as 128 GB storage will not be enough. For gaming, I am yet to test it, but at $310, don't expect anything. And the Windows S issue, Google Windows S switch and you will know how to change it back to Windows 10 Home. It is just a few clicks and a few minutes. Everyone can do it. After all, a great computer. My family members ordered two when they see mine. Highly recommend. This laptop is a fantastic deal for the price. The laptop uses the same body as the $500 plus Acer Aspire 5 models, which is to say it is a fantastic body that is light and compact and very portable. RAM can easily be upgraded and adding a 2.5 inches SSD allows for additional memory over the 128 GB included on the computer. The keyboard is comfortable to type on and as a bonus still includes a full numpad even if it is a bit cramped. The screen is a solid IPS screen and when you consider the price tag is amazing and beats a lot of the more expensive laptop screens I have seen. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box.